Solar power is the key to a clean energy future. Every day, the sun gives off far more energy than we need to power everything on Earth. The only limitation of solar power is our ability to turn it into electricity in an efficient and cost-effective way. We at Cueball are committed to make a difference by harnessing the power of the sun. Our customers are proud owners of quality solar PV plants, in-house design and engineering team, efficient construction teams, and deep industry amp technology know-how are our forte. Cueball goes beyond the contract and provides value engineering to ensure that customers reap the maximum benefits. Having satisfactorily delivered these latest projects, we have a strong base of 100+ happy customers. To get reliable and affordable solar energy for your home or business, kindly contact us. To get updates of our various offers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.